Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an alternative to the Spotify app that is quite interesting and has no limitations. This app isn't available on the Google Play Store, so I will leave the link in the comments section and the description of this video for you to install it. What we will do is, once we're on the mentioned website, we'll have a direct link available. But for those who want to ensure there are no viruses or malware, you can check the file before downloading. Simply press and hold the button for a few seconds, then copy the clean link. After that, open a new tab and go to virustotal.com. Here, click on the URL tab. I recommend you do this with any file you're about to download, especially if it's an installable file or APK and you want to install it on your phone. Paste the URL or link you obtained in this field, click on Search, and wait a few seconds. It will show the following information, confirming that the file is completely clean, so there is no risk in installing the app. So, let's go back to the website to download the APK file. Once downloaded, tap on it to install. The app we're going to use is called ReMusic. I've been testing it for a while, and it's quite comprehensive. Once installed, tap Open. You'll find a very user-friendly interface, similar to other apps like Spotify. As with any app, you can use the search function to look for a band, for example. Let's try Motley Crue. We'll play just a few seconds to avoid copyright issues. This app also allows you to download songs by simply tapping the arrow next to each track. You can search by album for any band you like. Just enter an album, and you'll see all the songs separated by album. The player is pretty much the same as others. The first button at the bottom allows you to download the song. The second icon lets you create or add to a playlist. There's a repeat button to shuffle songs randomly, and an icon to view the lyrics of each song. In my opinion, this app is one of the most interesting alternatives to Spotify or YouTube Music. It's safe and virus-free for downloading and installing on your Android phone. Once you play a song, you can minimize the app or turn off the screen and still enjoy the music. Let's try another song. Even with the screen off, the music continues to play in the background. Remember, the songs you download will be available to listen to on any other player you have, or even within the same app, without needing an internet connection when you want to play them. So, remember that the link to this app will be available in the video description and pinned in the first comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.